My name's Andrew Margison. I work with my business partner Andrew Goodwin, and we're both directors of a specialist cash handling company called ZZap. We're based in Wokingham, which is near Reading. We met in sixth form, and as the years went on we realised that we had a lot in common, and we both really wanted to start a business. We tried all sorts of different ideas, and eventually we hit on banking equipment, and that just went really well for us, and the rest was history really. We learned more in our business than university ever taught us, like 100%. eBay was just so straightforward, large audience, it was perfect for us. From the eBay app, there's this cha-ching sound whenever you sell something. And I just remember us two were like 19 years old, and this phone would be going cha-ching, 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 you know, selling all these different products. When we started, I used my parents' garage to hold all our stock, and eventually that built up, and then we moved into my business partner's parents' garage. So then we had two garages, and then after that it took a long time, but I persuaded my parents to give me a room in the house, and we labelled it the ZZap room. So that just had loads of machines. So we've slowly like commandeered different rooms in our parents' houses. We've actually only had this warehouse unit for a year, while everyone's, you know, getting married and moving into their own homes. Instead, we've just like ploughed all our money into a warehouse. We don't really want to expand the range anymore. We want to go international and sell across Europe and the US. So that's like the next stage for our business. People wait for a light bulb moment, but I think you should force one. eBay is a fantastic platform where you can try all these different ideas, and eventually you'll hit on a business that is viable and that you can make a living out of.
Keep updated on awards news as well as tips to grow your business. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube and click the bell icon to enable notifications. YouTube will let you know as soon as new videos are available.